Hello?
Hello? I'm sorry, who is this?
Hello?
Hello? I'm sorry, who is this? I don't know why you fucking called me in the first place.
You know, let's not have much to do with your time because you're a fucking idiot. And leave me alone while I'm fucking your daughter, bitch.
Sure. Each one of these calls is being recorded.
Hello?
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 I don't know how the hell you got this number.
Oh, you fucking jerk-off motherfucker. You know what? Would you quit calling here? You know, I'm getting tired of you calling here when I'm fucking your old lady and your daughter. And shit, maybe bring your niece and them too.
You called me, sir.
Hello?
Yes, hello. How you doing today?
Not too bad.
Let me ask you a question. What you up to? Yeah, what's up to do, you motherfucker? Don't tell me about your cocksucking, swizzle-sucking motherfucking faggot. Yeah, I'm the smartest motherfucker you know.
We're just tracing the call for you.
Hello? What you up to?
Just tracing the phone number.
What state you guys in? What state do you live in? Hello? Hello? You ain't scaring nobody. Shut the fuck up, ho.
Oh, nobody scares an asshole like you.
Grow a set of nuts.
Yeah, you're a frickin' asshole.
Yeah, you coward bitch.
Find something to do for
Can't
your
even
life.
speak right.
Making machine phone calls.
You know you be sucking cock, don't lie.
We get
You're a coward, you fucking punk. What difference does it make? I don't know you. Where you at, bitch? Where you from, man? What state? Hello?
Hello, asshole. What do you want?
Yes, hello. What's happening, man? What's up, scumbag? You unemployed, homeless motherfucker.
No, that's you.
You sitting there down homeless shelter, you know? Yeah, I can understand you're homeless and all, you know?
Yeah,
homeless fucking gay-ass motherfucking punk.
Yeah, you got nothing better to do in your life than make scene phone calls.
You can't even tell no jokes, so shut the fuck up.
Why don't you twithead?
You got jokes, do you?
Your old lady sucks cocks, eh?
Is that all you can say? God damn, you got a one-liner? Oh, ain't you got jokes? You old fucking broken down tramp? If you don't like talking shit, go somewhere to give a fuck! Go ahead, if you can tell me something, if you can think of something original, go ahead and tell me.
Hi, we're not in right now. If you'd like to leave me a message, that's super. Or otherwise, just have a great day and try me again. Bye.
Shut the fuck up, ho!
Hello.
Yeah. Hello? Yes, hello.
Hello, asshole.
What's up, my nigga?
Huh?
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 When somebody smacks you in the back of the mouth or in the back of the head and knocks your teeth out of your mouth,
Okay.
does that make you back in business?
Come on, baby.
You're nervous now, bitch.
Huh?
Don't make me slap you and knock the cock out of your mouth.
Yeah.
What part of the
Oh,
woods
God.
do you live in?
Huh?
What part of the woods do you live in?
Oh. Depends on which house you want to. I have 3 of them, so it makes no difference.
Give me the address.
Want the address? 4600 Nail Road.
Yeah. The government's coming for you, motherfucker.
Come on. Bring it the fuck on.
Somebody's gonna kick your ass, are they?
Well, I would hope that you'd come. Not a problem.
Motherfucker, you're gonna have a whole lot of apologizing.
Oh, I don't have no apologizing to do at all.
Yeah?
None whatsoever.
You unemployed, motherfucker, homeless son of a bitch.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I am unemployed. I'm retired. I got more money than you ever thought about having.
Shut the fuck up. Dude, you sound like a broken record, man. You're just repeating the same damn shit.
I got more money. I got more money in a motorcycle than you've made in the last 10 years.
Now, what you been up, swallowing? What, by sucking my dick, huh?
Dream on, dream on. I hope you. Are you enjoying the Skype shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your point is what?
No point. No problem.
You heard me? You heard what I said. Now, did you hear me, motherfucker?
Yeah, I heard you. I kind of figured, with somebody your age, because you don't sound like a little kid, so I thought maybe somebody your age would have just a little bit more intelligence to do this kind of shit, but that's okay.
Yeah. Your IQ's below 20, huh?
Huh?
Your IQ's below 20, huh? That must
Whatever.
be pretty pathetic to be you. I am grown up, dude.
Yeah, well, that's a good thing.
Yeah. You said you were a cocksucking swallow sucker.
No, I said I was banging your old lady and your daughter, too.
Yeah? How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
How old am I? I'm 65 years old. Why?
Yeah. I doubt it.
Oh, no. I'm 65. Born in 1947 and put up with more bullshit from people than you'll ever see, probably.
Say what? Yeah,
I said I was born in.
Yeah,
You have
right.
a good evening. You have a good weekend.
Okay.
Maybe you can find somebody else on there to bug.
Okay.
Bye now.